Okay, I am recording. I should have the full screen in there. So I got a new install of Buster, Raspbian Buster. Okay, preparing the system. So we're going to do sudo apt get update. A sudo apt get upgrade. Okay, we are back after rebooting, after doing the upgrade and update. Okay, that stuff's all the same. Okay, so now we are starting with installing packages. I got sudo apt get update. I thought I did that, but it's okay. Then it says get basic build tools. Sudo apt get install build essential. Alright. Now sudo apt get install get automake xorg develop graphics magic GV curl 4 dash open SSL DEV. Okay. Packages above are required for most basic minimum build of Xastir. GV is not strictly required, but if you don't install it, you'll be unable to print. Blah blah blah. All right. Do you want to install? Yes. Assume you're going to say yes to all this stuff. And then we're going to get the additional libraries that help for extra features after this. I've only got 5.5 minutes on this stupid SD card. Okay. Sudo apt get install GPS man SHP LIP BC re3-dev lipproj dev libdb5.3-dev python web pdev. Yes, install. Okay, let me save some time here. Okay, got the next line typed, executing. Gonna say yes. Now this is the one where I had some error message about the shape file, shape library. Let's see if we get such an error this time. It was like the last line. $3 left on my video card. Seems like it ran through setting up. Okay, no errors, no errors. Alright, so now we got sudo apt-get install xfonts -100 dpi xfonts 75 dpi. And we got xset plus fp space user share fonts x11 100 dpi comma slash user share fonts x11 75 dpi. Okay, that went. And then we're down to get Xastir code, so we're going to make directory src. We're going to change into that directory, and then we're going to do git clone https github.com Xastir git. Looks right. Let's see. GitHub. Okay, now we're grabbing that. And I'm going to run out of memory here, so Let me free up some space and we'll continue after this is done. Run Bootstrap, so we're going to change into that directory and run bootstrap .sh. Okay. Bootstrap complete. Now you've got all the libraries in place. Now you can build the code. So it says cd source Xastir. I'm there. I'm going to make directory build. I'm going to go into that directory build. And then I'm going to type configure cpp flags equals -i /user include geotiff. Okay. That looks good. And it says I should be rewarded with a list of features that say yes after them. I'm seeing a lot of yeses, but it doesn't look exactly like it shows on there. So, configure error, no motif header found, install notif, development headers to specify location of xm.h. Okay, I'm not sure what that's all about. Okay. So I'm going to assume I'm seeing minimum options, recommended options for the adventurous. There's no commands there. So now build the code. It says type make. There we are. No target specified and no make file found. Stop. And if I go back a directory and type make there, same thing. That's where I'm having a problem. Thanks for watching.